Alright, so you want to make your very own hologram. Well, you've clicked on the right video. You're going to need some plastic, scissors, tape, a phone, paper, a ruler and a pen. If you've got all of these, then you're set. First of all, you're going to get the paper and draw a trapezium on it. The trapezium hasn't got to be big, but it's going to have to be pretty neat. Then you've got to cut the trapezium out of the paper, and then you can use this as a stencil to get out 4 more trapeziums out of the plastic. If you've got individual sheets of plastic, then you can bundle them all together and then cut them all out at once. This is going to make them more symmetrical, and therefore the hologram will work better. Once you've done that, then get the tape and stick them together like so, until they create a shape like this. Now you're basically done. All you've got to do is find a 3D hologram video on YouTube, put it on your phone, and bam, you've made yourself your very own hologram. Just check out some of these cool holograms that you can get. And if you want to check out a video of my mate being taped to a tree for 24 hours, click here.